Two.
Hello friends, myself Raj, working in a nationalized bank, passed GIB and CIB in single attempt with first class. So today on the eve of Sawan, the holy month of Sawan is starting and I have created this channel, YouTube channel, cracking GIB and CIB with Raj. Dear friends, those who will, who is willing to pass GIB and CIB in a single attempt conducted by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance can join my channel for free. Dear friends, the financial sector is changing day by day. So as our banking sector is changing day by day, RBI, SEBI, Financial Intelligence Unit of India, and other agencies, apart from circulars issued by individual banks, is giving us more and more knowledge and information to make our work comfortable. So, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance has also brought two basic courses which gives us privilege to increase our salary by one or two more increments. So friends, without wasting time, we go to the basics of GIB. GIB consists of 100 questions, 120 minutes is given, 4 attempts are allowed to clear your GIB exam. It has 3 books. One is Principles and Practices of Banking, which includes one small book also, that is Ethics in Banking. The second one is Accounting and Finance for Bankers, and third one is Legal and Regulatory Aspects of Banking. Friends, it is very easy to pass GIB and CIB, but my honest request to you all is that be updated, because I have seen more number of friends, our friends are not able to qualify their JIB because they have purchased the old version of books. Friends, as you know, the MSME category has recently been changed by the government of India. Likewise, more financial information are changing day by day. So, if you will purchase the latest edition, you will get the latest information. So, forget about all the old ones. Now, start with the new ones. So, after qualifying this JIB, you have to clear your CIB. CIB also have 100 questions, 120 minutes, 4 attempts, 2 years. Basically, it is conducted, both the exams, JIB and CIB, is conducted on Saturdays and Sundays, so that every banker get his time to clear all this. Now, the basic thing is that you have to be very, very honest to your time schedule and dedicate yourself for some days. I am not telling that you prepare for last 6 months or 1 year, but the time you give, dedicate yourself towards it. Purchase new edition book, we have already mentioned it, and make your own notes. Dear friends, make your own notes and revise. These 5 is the principal funda to clear your GIB and CIB. And like and subscribe this channel for further videos and for my motivation. Thank you.